the Mexican food. We don't have that much Mexican food.
Oh. Do you like fruit?
Yes, I do, and I didn't expect to have it here.
Why not?
My mom found on the internet that they don't have it. Yeah.
Huh. Do you have a job in Germany?
No, you usually don't have jobs. Well, I had
How old
kind
do you
of
have to
job.
be?
You usually finish with school to have a job. Like, I have 2 more years to go, but some of my friends have like finished this year or last year, like after 9th grade.
When do you get to graduate when you're in Germany? Is it the same?
It depends what school you're going to. The school for the dumb people are like 9 years, and then for the normal people are 10, and I'm going 12 years, so they're smart
Okay.
people.
Thank you, Freya.